Hello folks, this is Aitanaja from inspiredwise.com and today we are going to talk about the Oppo F11 Pro Marvel's Avengers edition. So guys, Avengers Endgame is in theaters now. It's a great movie, go see it. The Oppo F11 Pro Marvel's Avengers edition is inspired by Avengers and their overall logo, costume, colors, and as can be seen, it employs a lot of traditional design elements as well as the newer design elements from the Avengers. As can be seen, it incorporates a lot of blue and red color, which can be seen in Thor's costume, which can be seen in Captain America's costume, and all of these colors are used a lot by the main cast. And as can be seen on this device, it comes with the Avengers logo and has a very nice hexagonal pattern at the back. There's also a Captain America inspired case on the inside of the box for this smartphone, which is a very nice leather case, and the shield doubles up as a holder for this device. And everyone who buys this limited edition smartphone would also get a custom collector's badge with this one. The major changes include the Avengers logo at the back along with the nice hexagonal cut design, and there's also a custom wallpaper this time around. If you look carefully, this one has a very nice glossy finish and definitely looks like one of those specific looks that can't be achieved via a unique skin or anything like that. It's very intrinsic to this smartphone, which makes it all the more unique and collectible item. And if you are a Marvel's Avengers fan and you got the money for this one, then I would definitely recommend buying this one. The Oppo F11 Pro full review is already out on our channel, and if you are somebody who has not seen that review yet, I would link it down in the pinned comment and description below. Do watch that video in order to know everything you want to know about the Oppo F11 Pro, its smartphone performance, its camera, gaming performance, benchmark performance, everything else. It's already been covered in great detail by us, so you can watch that video in order to do a quick recap of whether the smartphone is worth buying at a price of around 24,000 rupees or not. This special edition smartphone, the Marvel's Avengers edition, is priced around 27,000 rupees in India, which is 3,000 more than the base Oppo F11 Pro, and it's one of the few devices with a unique pop-up style camera in this specific price range, and it does offer you a good camera performance. But apart from that, everything else you have to see it in our review video in order to know more. And if you are somebody who's a great fan of the Avengers edition, then you can go and buy it. There are very limited stocks for this one. It's a collector's edition item, so in case you are really interested and are a Marvel's fan and really want to flaunt this phone, go for it. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.